this video I'm going to show you how to add legs to your National Sloping Hive Stand, and these legs make the hive more stable, more durable, and they give it a little touch of class. In the pack that you'll receive, you'll get obviously 4 legs, and you'll also get a packet of black screws. Take your hive stand that's already been made, just place it on the edge of the table. First thing to do is to put your 2 legs at the back. You can actually glue these. We do supply glue in the shop, which can be bought separately. So just very simply put some glue in the corner on the main leg. It was recommended so you don't split the wood if you drill the holes to fix your legs to the hive stand itself, because otherwise you've got a greater risk of splitting the wood. I've got a drill bit that's about 5mm. It's just enough to break the wood, but not to split it. You take your leg with the glue on it, and basically you push it right into the corner. Like so. Now it's a wise idea just to prop another leg underneath it, just to hold it at the same angle. It makes it that little bit easier to do. It's not a difficult job, it's just can be a little fiddly. The drill holes are going to be at this sort of angle, at a 45-degree angle. Basically you punch the hole, and you don't have to drill all the way through, just roughly through the top layer of wood. So and again on the other hole. Next thing is you put your drill bit in. You take your black screws, just force the leg right into the corner, pop your screws in the holes, like so, and then force them in. Drive them right in. And once you've done that leg, you then turn it over and do the same on the other leg at the back as well. So once again you put some glue in onto the leg. Make sure it's nice and tight again. Just quickly, just a little bit of drilling, not too much. Remember, it's just to stop the wood from splitting. You take 2 of your black screws, prop them into the hole. Just make sure it's still nice and tight. It is, and then you proceed with your screwing. And number 2, your front leg should sit pretty much level with your lighting board front, or the bevel board, whichever you want to call it. Just ever so slightly under, like it is there. Just pop some glue on the leg. Pop it back down again. And do it by freehand, about there. And about there. And take your drill again. Just very quick little burst. 2 more screws. Again, make sure it is nice and tight and with the angle of the leg. You pop your screws in again. And drive these in. Once that's done, you've got one completed National Sloping Hive Stand with legs.